You're filming everything.
Always.
Am I going to be on the internet?
Yes, you are, sir. What is going on, friends? It's been a while since you've seen me. I know, I apologize. It's been a crazy month, man. And there's no sign of it getting any less crazy, so give you the skinny. I'm in Winnipeg still. Just packed up, ready to head back to Alberta. Okay, so here's the deal. We've left Winnipeg this morning. We drove to Estevan, Saskatchewan, and not Alberta yet because a piece of my heart lives here in Estevan. Actually, two pieces of my heart. My two old college roommates live here, and it's been about 5 to 6 years probably since I've seen them, and they're all married with kids now, and I figured on my way home from Winnipeg, it only makes sense to stop by and to hang out with my boys for a little bit. So I'm extraordinarily excited to be here. I've already met in Sandin and saw him and Haley for the first time in a long time, and now they have kids, and they're all we're all so grown up. We're all grown up now, well, except for me maybe, and it's just super fun. And Sandin is the owner of Sector 1 Construction here in Estevan, Saskatchewan. He also owns a glass business and a renovations business and a whole bunch of other ones. He's a very diversified entrepreneur. He's got a big heart for music. He's really good at it. He's extremely talented. He's won a couple of awards, or been nominated for a couple of awards here in the Western Canadian music award scene. So super proud to be, I guess you could say, in my far away home, my second far away home. But now we are on our way to Logan's place, and Logan just lives outside of town on an acreage. And that is where we're going to be camping tonight with Zeus. And it sounds like Logan and Sandin have something tricky up their sleeve, because Saskatchewan is now mask-free. So all COVID restrictions have officially been lifted. I've been walking around the Walmart and all the stores here without a mask. Life is good. Life is good, people. Yeah, so we're gonna meet up with Logan probably in about 10 minutes here. I need to get back to my map, so I'm gonna stop recording, and you guys will be able to meet my friends, my Saskatchewan friends. It'll be good. Stay tuned. All right, humans. We're at Logan's house. That's the truck all set up. This is the property. It's pretty savage. Got a nice little fire nook. He's building a pond over here. Pump house. And his shop down there. Gorgeous little spot here, man. Super neat. Just sitting out here enjoying a fire. But right now, we're going to go to a street party. This will be the first time that I have congregated with fellow humans in a while. About 2 years. So, looking forward to it. Should be a fun time. So, probably going to drag you guys along with me, show you some of the cool spots. Here we go.
I'm surprised they only have that much fluff.
There's quite a ways of it blocked off further up, isn't there?
Yeah, that's for construction.
Oh, is it?
There's a 20-foot deep hole there.
Oh.
Hey, your wristband. Laura has your tickets.
We're going to the back. You have to go to the...
Got the tickets? You got 4? Each one grab a band, and then those ladies will help you get it on.
Sweet.
Oh, sorry guys.
That one mine, or is that one yours?
That's
that one's
yours.
mine? Okay.
Yeah.
I gotta put this on? They're gonna put it on for me?
I think so.
That's handy.
Yeah.
you help me?
I can't.
Oh, you're awesome. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
You're filming everything.
Always.
Am I going to be on the internet?
Yes, you are, sir. Fuck yeah.
You have sparkles.
I'm going whatever way we're going. Let's go.
Closer to the music.
All right, this guy's gonna go here. Zeus, you're gonna get the whole back to yourself. Good boy, bees. Good boy, bees. That's a good boy, bees. All right, it's adventure time. It has only been like a decade since I've been in this Jeep. When it's actually been driving. That's a heck of a setup. Oh my goodness. This looks a lot different.
I'm going to shut that door and maybe it'll sneak moo in there.
Oh, I bet you it will. How you doing, Baze?
This is the hour, the darkest place. Dante's Inferno, the devil's maze. It's a good world, good world going bad.
If I had one left. All right, boys and girls, we got ourselves an Ontario Overlander here in Alberta. Welcome, buddy. Hope you have a good time. One of the more enjoyable things of this hobby here is just traveling around and seeing that other people are doing it. So this guy in front of us right now is from Ontario. He's driving looks like a 2021 or a 2020 Tacoma TRD, snorkeled out. We pulled up at the light together. And he's been overlanding from Ontario to Alberta. So I handed him a blind man patch and welcomed him to the province. So it's good, man. This is fun stuff. Yeah, that's kind of what's going on here. So pretty dope. Pretty dope. This is a fun hobby, man. You all should get onto this. It doesn't matter where you're from. It's so cool because anytime you meet anybody, you already have this massive thing in common. So it's super cool, super fun.